Do you think you need YouTube to pay you before you make money? Think again. A lot of YouTubers make thousands without AdSense on YouTube, and today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can do it too, and stick around to the very end because I'm going to be uploading a bonus point nobody is talking about. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Number one is affiliate marketing, and you can do that by having an Amazon link or Amazon storefront. You can also have for AliExpress, you can have for Jumia. I think I have for AliExpress and Jumia. I'm not just serious about it, but you can have for that. You can also have for brands in your niche that has affiliate marketing. How you do it is you sign up on their affiliate marketing website and you have some products where you get discount. There'll be a code for you that when people use it, you get a commission. So yeah, this commission you get, and you put the link in your description. So whenever your video is up and people are watching, you can let them know that there's a link to get so and so, especially if you're into tech or there's something you are using, or you notice that people are asking for something that you are using in a video. Get the link, put it in your description box, and put the commission. There are a lot of brands that does that. So you need to just find the one that is related to your niche and get that link. That's how you make money. That's how lots of, if you look at all these big YouTubers, the large proportion of their money is not coming from YouTube AdSense revenue. It is coming from affiliate marketing. It's coming from these things that I'll be mentioning. The next one is sponsorship and brand deals. And the way you do it is you can either reach out to brands in your niche or they reach out to you. It's either ways. So if you want to get like a pitch on how to reach out to them, you can ask ChatGPT to create a very professional write-up and pitch for you to send to their email. So you have to search for their email and pitch to them that you like to work with them. Sometimes it is free collaboration, and you might need that if you know it will really help you. If you know it's not going to help you but it's going to benefit the brand, make sure it is a paid collaboration and you get your money. For brand deals, they'll reach out to you, you strike a deal, and you upload for them. They might ask for a video, they might ask for 3 videos. Just make sure you're not pricing yourself down. You might feel, I'm a small YouTuber, I don't have that views. Let me tell you something. They prefer YouTubers that are actually small because they know you people have this tight community that will ride and die with you, and you people are genuine. So don't price yourself down. Just make sure that you are not going overboard, but also make sure that you're not shooting yourself in the leg. So price yourself properly. Talk to people that are experienced in the field and let them guide you on how much you should charge per whatever video you will upload. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is very important. You are missing out on it. You might feel I'm not monetized yet. Yes, you need to get monetized, but before then, what do? These are the things. The next one is selling digital course, and I did that on my Instagram where I teach people how to edit and all of that. So I put it in a drive. I created a video, I put it in a drive. I use seller.com to make the payment transaction smooth, and people make payments, I get my money, I send them link to the video, they watch. That's a digital course. You can also do it by telling people that okay, you can offer page audit or something to get for their channel, so they can be able to reach out to you and strike a deal, tell them your price, they send the money, and you do the job. I did that for my vlog channel when I started this YouTube growth on my vlog channel. It's just that now I've stopped it there, and this is a new channel for specifically YouTube growth. But when I was doing it there, I got a lot of people that actually paid for me to audit their YouTube channel. So you can also do that. If you want me to audit your channel, it is for a very small token. Just send a DM or reach out to me via my email, adretlady530@gmail.com, and let's discuss. I'm going to give you a rundown of what to do on your channel and what not to do, what is working and what is not working. And if you want like a 1 month mentorship, it depends on what you want. So just reach out to me. But you can do that. That's what I just did, is selling you a course. It's a digital course. Do you get? So don't feel, oh, I don't know what to do. You know what to do. Just think. And the last but not the least is the bonus point which you are here for, and that is freelancing. This is related to what I just finished explaining about what I did on my vlog channel. This is more of you telling people that you're going to, create their thumbnail, you're going to edit their video, edit their pictures, going to do YouTube coaching, going to do a lot of things for their channel. It can be for their channel, it can be for their social media page. It doesn't have to be YouTube specifically. Just make sure you are showing proof that you can do it. So if you are saying you want to edit people's video, you need to have proof of you editing the video. If you say, oh, you want to do coaching, you need to make sure you know what you are saying. They know you as an authority in that field to be able to trust you that, oh yes, you can do it. Because I remember when I was doing the growth stuff on my vlog channel, I did channel audits for people. I did I created what they call it, YouTube thumbnail. No, is it thumbnail? Banner. YouTube banner for someone. I handled someone YouTube channel, yes. What else did I do? Those are the three like digital courses that I did, right? And the other one was brand deals and whatnot. So this is very important. Don't sell yourself short. Don't give up. Don't feel you can't do it. You need to just make sure that you are working on yourself and also helping people, because you come to realize that people actually don't know things that you know, and you feel they know it. They don't know it. And I realized when I started YouTube growth on my vlog channel, the way I started was I uploaded a singular video and it went viral, and I was like, okay, let me keep uploading. But at the point I'm like, I'm repeating myself, and I don't want to be repeating myself, but I was seeing people ask questions that I feel you should know the answer to this. Like, this is like a basic answer, 1 2 3, that you are supposed to know, but I realized people don't know it. That was, I was like, okay, let me keep uploading, and okay, let me create another channel for this specifically, because people don't know and they need people to guide them. Just be very honest with it. If you can't do it, tell them you can't do it. If you can do it and be honest with it and deliver. Don't promise and fail. So these are the ways you can make money without making money from YouTube AdSense. So I hope you are able to learn a lot. Do well to subscribe, because I will upload practical growth tips for your YouTube growth. See you guys in my next video. Bye.